Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day, trying to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. And there are two actually, this one and the music channel. If you look below the channel, you'll see my Martyn Lucas music channel, the World Piano Man. We're very excited today. We made some profit last night on Virgin Galactic. We got the Robinhood earnings tonight. As you can see, my portfolio has shot up, looking really good. All-time records again. Just got an amazing deal on Enphase Energy. I'm really quite happy with the way it worked, and I'll explain it in a few moments' time. It was one of my best trades. Really, really perfect. I will share with you what it is in just a couple of moments' time. So first of all, let me give you all the information for the tickers and below, and all the links below for our social media. Join us on Twitter for our polls daily and our updates throughout the show. You can comment on the live show, and I'd love your thoughts. Okay, so let's go straight into our. I'm so excited. It was a perfect trade. I'll show you in a second. I didn't think it was going to happen, but anyway, I'll come to that in a sec. Let's look at my main portfolio at the moment. As you can see, it's up to date 40,000. The Roth IRA is also up as well, about to hit that 14,000 record. Our all-time high is 54.4. We're just $200 away from an all-time high. 54.4 is our all-time high. Very exciting. So what has happened this morning? Let's scroll down, have a quick look. BTC has just gone flying up. VU is just shot up. Amazon has shot up. Apple next to Era Energy, all the stocks that I am in are up. Coca-Cola is just down slightly. CVX is down. Enphase, that's the one I just bought. I just added to my position on Enphase Energy on my Roth IRA. And I set a buy order this morning about $60, 60 cents lower than where it is now. And I didn't think it was going to go through. I thought I was chancing my arm a little bit, but I did it anyway, and I got it. So I was quite chuffed about that. Anyway, I'll share with you in a second. So let's have a look. We've also got the PPI as well, which is what it's all about this morning. I can't contain myself. I'm all excited. There we go. There's my Enphase Energy. I was down 8% on Enphase Energy a few moments ago. I'm now down 1.66. I've added a good position there. I'm very happy now with 161. What I did was I placed another 5 shares. This is my Roth position. If I share with you here, it's oversold. It's overreaction. The market always overreacts in both ways. I set a buy for 157.30. See that? Just 4 shares, 157.30. It's gone to 159. It's getting $2 a share in moments. And when I set it, it was 30 cents higher than that. But I decided, it's oversold. I looked at the balance sheet again this morning, and this reaction here was an overreaction. I think it's an expensive stock, but it has one of the best balance sheets on the market. Look, over the year it's 1.57, but look at the growth of this company. And if you don't believe in solar, I don't know what planet you're living on. It's taken over the world. So it's at the beginning of its S-curve. That looks great. When you look at that, you go, well, it's 3,000%. I'm not buying it now. It's only just started. It's like 1% of the world has solar. It's nothing. It's just beginning, and it's the only completely renewable source we have. I love it. I've got solar on my house, and it's not here in America. I can't afford it here, but in England I have. Right, okay. Headlines here. Headline 4.9 versus 5% expected. This is core price 5%, 5.5 versus 5.5 expected, 5.6 prior. This is all good. Inflation is coming down. It's still going. We need to just make the point. The rate of inflation is still going up. It's just slowing and slowing and slowing. It's all good. It's leading, in my opinion, to the next rate hike to be a pause, not to be bringing it down. And we don't want it to be brought down. We want it to stay up. Now, remember, if it stays up for 6 months, that's like it going up twice and then back down again. So got to bear that in mind. It's just as bad it being up, but I think it will be up for another 6 months. That's my opinion. That's great if you are saving your uninvested cash, remember though. So there's advantages there. Let's go through our stocks. CPI down. We love it. The Consumer Price Index. That's what we're talking about. Good morning, everyone. Octavio. Nice, said Jason Fallon. Did you forget CPI? No, I didn't. I'm just trying to get round to it. Got so much going on. I'll cover it right now in a second. Don't worry. I'll make a video out of it. Virgin Galactic. Did you take the trade last night? It literally, during, some of you didn't come, Sensei was there. We had an after hours party for Virgin, let me just fix this for TikTok. There you go, TikTokers, sorry about that. We had an after hours party last night on Virgin Galactic, and we had a lot of fun, and some of you missed it. We had some fun making some music, but we also had fun making money. One clown came in at the beginning and went, what's all this? I want to be talking about Virgin Galactic. I went, well, it's a music channel. It's called the After Hours Music Party. Well, I want to be talking about Virgin Galactic. He said, it's weird, I'm going. So he went, and what he missed was this. He missed, oh, hang on a minute. Why is that on the wrong screen? What's going on there? We've got to change that. What's going on? That should be our secondary. No, hang on a minute. That should be our treachery. That's the one. That's the one. Is that locked? That is locked, isn't it? Yeah. That happened. Absolutely brilliant. So we bought the bottom of that dip there, and then we sold at the top of that dip. Did anybody else do that? And I put a poll, because it was live in our show. We were doing it live, and I said, so I put a poll out saying, did anybody do it? And 33% of you picked it up. Anyway, today, what's quite exciting, if I just refresh this, yes, here we are. We're live right now on Twitter. See that, look? You can comment to the show. I'd love you to put a comment on the show. We're live on Twitter right there, look. All you do is go onto it, look, and you can actually see me live on Twitter, and you can leave a comment. How about that? Did you know that? I bet you didn't know that anyway. After party was great. Yeah, we had a right laugh, didn't we? CPI, we'll come on to it in a second. Virgin Galactic's going up now with my long-term position, but not my Roth at the moment. I've just used it for end-phase energy. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, 7.85. I took some profits last night. It did carry on going. I took profits at 14.50. I sold my Roth position, so I'm out of that on my Roth. But, you know, take a profit wherever you can. That's the way I see it. Tesla today, flipping-tastic. Price is coming down. It's going to be all over Tesla today. So that's no surprise there. I am going to sell a 189, or at least I was. I have reanalyzed Tesla with the lithium refining. They've now got another arm to their business. I don't know if I want to trim off or not. I was going to, but I thought, you know what? With Lucid going down, with Riv, in my opinion, Lucid will go private. They won't go bust. They'll go private. They're too specialized. They're like a Ferrari or a Rolls Royce. Well, not a Rolls Royce even. More like a Ferrari or a Bugatti Veyron. They will go private. Rivian then pick up the slack. They're doing much better. They will soon be cash positive, which is good. And it's the Amazon deal that makes them so strong for me. And then with CPI coming down and everything else in favor when inflation, so on and so forth, Tesla is going to do really, really well. So with the lithium mining now added as an extra arm to Tesla, I don't know if I do want to sell at 189. I think I'm going to let this run and run and run. But it could be a source of funds for me. If it goes over 200, I can go, hey, I can sell a share of Tesla today for 200. But anyway, Lucid has popped back up. I wouldn't touch it. I think it's just speculative gamblers, literally a wing and a prayer right now. So I don't think it's the way to go. Let's have a look at this now. We've got Amazon up 107.87 today. 124. McDonald's today is increasingly more expensive. Coca-Cola, J&J today is up. That'll help. Google is up today. Microsoft is up. Walmart is up. And this is just the pre-market. Tesco is up. Next Era Energy is 0.03. I'm still down on it slightly, but good dividends. Enphase, this is the story of the day. I was down 8%. I'm now down 1.66. I'm very happy because I've got a good position on my Roth. It's 8% of my portfolio, and it's nearly 3% of my portfolio on my main account as well. So I'm happy with that. Bitcoin today is up 0.91. Let's look at the crypto bubbles and see what's moving this morning. Here we go. Good news is bad news. Time to short. Oh, hello. Tesla, 60 to 80 short term, 200 midterm, 1,000 long term. Okay. There we go. Look, all the everything. Pepe is down, but Carver is number one today. But everything seems to be pretty green today on the old crypto bubbles today. Excellent stuff indeed. Let's welcome our guests on Rumble today. See how many we got. Hey, we got 4 this morning. We're at 75 followers now. We are just 25 away from my target of 100 in 2 weeks. If you've not yet followed me on Rumble, I strongly suggest you do, because there's going to be some exclusive content on there, the sort of content I can't put on YouTube. So very exciting. So there you go. If you are on Rumble today, hello, how are you? Let me just drop a hi in the chat. Keep a tab open if you can on YouTube. It's good for the channel and good for the growth as well. 75 followers. Right, let's see how many we've got today in YouTube. We've got 97 likes. What's going on? What's going on? Smash the like button. Come on, guys. We've got 20 watching. We're all making money. All I ask is if you can, if you don't mind, tapping the like button. It all makes a difference. For me, for the algorithm of YouTube, just by tapping the like button or tapping the like on Rumble really makes a difference. You don't realize it. It just shares the video out to more people, so we get more people in. We learn from more people, and it's really, really helpful. So there you go. If you wouldn't mind, it'd be brilliant. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's go over to, we've got our news as well. We're going to cover in a few seconds from 22. We talked about CPI. We're going to cover that. Tilray is up today 1.84. Robinhood earnings tonight. We are covering the earnings tonight of Robinhood. Here is Robinhood tonight. We've got loads of earnings coming up. We've got Robinhood tonight. If you want to be the first person there, of course you do. You want to be the first person there to give it a like? There you go. Here is the link to Robinhood tonight. It's going to be a good one. And with the markets turning around, watch Robinhood start to fly. I am very excited. I've got a good position in Robinhood. And when it comes to the UK, just watch what happens then. Excellent stuff. So anyway, there you go. There is, we've got people now jumping in to Robinhood. Now, after Robinhood, we've got later in the week, and as well as all the opening and closings, we've got IonQ coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow, IonQ, very interesting stock. Quantum computers, we're covering that tomorrow. That's happening. And then also we've got Rumble and Arrival as requested. Rumble and Arrival, that's May 15th, May 16th. And there's more going into the following week. And then Walmart. No one could cover more earnings than me. I don't think it's possible, is it? Nobody's mad enough to be online this amount of time. Sensei, I haven't had time to do it. I've got the link. Though to what you sent last night. I've got the link. It's a very interesting proposition. I haven't had a chance to open it, but I guess what it is, it's a widget within OBS, so I can use it. I would have thought. Anyway, I will look into that. Anyway, there's all the earnings coming up. So let's get back to the main positions. And if you missed our after show party last night for Virgin Galactic, go and check it out. I've had 197, in fact more than that. This is a few hours behind. It's about 250, which is great for my channel, right? And we made some money. We had some fun. We had a laugh, and it was great. So come and join us on that as well. Right, that's on the music channel. Do you want the link for that? Of course you do. Of course you do. You've missed out a big party last night, the Virgin Galactic party. And let me give you the link for it. Pop in and scroll to the last 10 minutes and you'll see me make my trade. It was quite funny. Live in the middle of a party. Oh, yeah, we don't mess about, I tell you. Right, okay, back to it now. We're up 0.66. Let's go back to the main screen here and look at the heat map and all the up-to-date positions. So we're still earning 4.65 in uninvested cash. $3 now since the beginning of this month, in 10 days. It's brilliant. I've only got 2,700 in cash and I've earned $3 in 10 days. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Robinhood is brilliant for that. It's the highest on the. I've never seen anyone pay any more than that. You've got to be a gazillionaire to get a higher APY than that. It's absolutely insane. Anyway, so there we go. We're up 0.6 there. The Roth IRA is up 1.28. 14,000 is my highest. And the overall balance, that's a bit odd. Why isn't that refreshed? Let's try that again. There we go. 54. We are $53 away from an all-time high. 54.4 is the all-time high. Let's see if we can make that today. It's very, very likely we will, actually. Anyway, let's check the heat map of the stocks that you want to see. What's hot, what's not. Do I want to pay for it? No, I don't. I like the free version. Amazon up today 1.1. Tesla up 1.16. What's down? What can you take advantage of? MCO down 5.21. MCO, it's what is that in the financial sector? I wouldn't touch the financial sector. That's not for me. What about ROP, electronics equipment? That's an interesting sector. ROP down 5.98. You might like to take a little nibble at that. I'm not going to do anything, I don't think, at the moment. Nothing there jumps out at me. I like to see what's dropped down, and I often pick up a little bargain when that happens, but I don't see anything there jumping out. Crypto challenge from Sensei. Let's have a look at that this morning. Let's have a look at where we are. We've only got $1,000, 500 of the 1,000 invested. The other 500 is earning 4%. Shall we see how much money we've made on that now? USD. I think I left it at 7 when I last looked. Here we're at 9 now. There we go. Look, 9. I've earned $9 effectively from doing absolutely nothing. So that's kind of cool. Only 500 of our money is invested, and we're up $80. So it's been higher, but not so bad at all. The all-time high is up as well. Ignore that figure on the left. That just means I withdrew money. I don't like the way Coinbase presents its charts, but nevertheless, it's all good here. Right, okay, come back to the main screen. And let's cover CPI this morning. We need to put a video about that as well. Do you use Streamlabs or Stream Elements? I am currently running in the background. I don't broadcast on OBS at all, just so you know. I use Ecamm Live, which is better, even though it crashed last night. Did you notice that at the last minute of the show? Anyway, I'm using Streamlabs.com. When I do this, that's a Streamlabs widget. 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 You get the idea. So there's no reason why I can't put that in, I guess. Anyway, I'll have to take a look. Good morning, Top Rack. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear family, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Lovely to have the Queen here. Right, okay, we're growing very, very quickly on YouTube and Twitter right now. I cannot believe the rate we're growing on Twitter right now. Really, really good. Really, really good. We're up to, what are we up to now? 645 followers on Twitter, trying to get to 1,000. And it's exploded in the last, literally last week, 2 weeks, something like that. I was at 400 like about a month ago. See that? as provided by Sensei Crypto. You like a bit of that? Oh, yeah. Okay, nice. It will work with Streamlabs. Okay. Hi, just earned 2350 euros with Virgin Galactic. Excellent. Did you make some money? Virgin Galactic is now going back up. It was this morning 393. I've got my long-term position, and it looks like I'm about to make money again. I took profits from my Roth IRA. We want it to go back down to $3 because it's all good news, but people are overreacting again. Always overreacting. Anyway, there we go. Looking good today. So let's go to PPI and CPI. We've not yet reported it. It's very, very important to do this, right? Core inflation. Okay, let's bring it down. $5.5, such as food, prior a mid down tick on a monthly basis. Core consumer prices rose by 0.4 from a month early in April. The same prices in March, in line with market expectations. Okay, now then, the annual consumer price inflation rate. Let me just bring it on the screen. I'm just studying it here now. Inflation rate year on year. Right. I want to open that one and that one. So I want to do this. That one there. And this one here. Okay. Good. Let's do this now. So we're going to set the time. This can go out later. We're going to cover all of this now. And we are at 23 minutes into the show. 23 minutes into the show. All right. 23.23 CPI. Okay, let's do it right now. Good morning, Hassan. Good morning, Paul Stone. How are you this morning? Looking good, looking good. Breaking records this morning. It's exciting. Where was I? I was going over to my production screen. That's what I was doing. Right. Okay. Stuff going on in the studio. I'm thinking, what's going on in the studio this morning? Flutter edits, Octavio. Ali, I send a message in Discord. Excellent stuff. Go say thank you received. And now another 700 euros with Virgin Galactic. Brilliant. I'm really, really pleased for you, Hassan El. Fantastic. Good stuff. Right. Let's cover it right now. So, breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day. Well, the Fed is winning the battle. We need to stress that inflation is still high, but it is slowing consistently. Today, PPI is out, CPI. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at the facts right now. Look at this. Consensus was 5.6. It's down to 5.5. This is really great. You can see it coming down now consistently. It does mean that the Fed are likely, in my opinion, people are expecting a pivot, or some are. I'm expecting it to stay high for another 6 months, which is the same as rate hiking it twice. So if we get another 6 months of the rate where they are, in other words, a pause, I think that's good. And that's what I'm expecting. We need responsible fiscal action. We don't need to pivot now. We know what happened before in the past. We don't want that to happen again. Let's read some more of the figures this morning. This is really good news. The annual inflation rate in the US fell to 4.9%. Remember, inflation is still up, but the rate is slowing. 4.9% in April, the lowest since April 21, and below market forecast of 5%. That's why the markets are up today. They are reacting positively. And what's reacting most, if we look very, very quickly, is growth stocks. For example, one of our favorite stocks is Tesla. If we look at Tesla right now, you can see Tesla is up big time today. Let's go over to Tesla and you can see exactly what I mean. Now, why would this be up more than other stocks particularly? Well, because it signals to people that prices are slowly coming down. It means inflation. It means the rate hikes will likely not go any higher. So you can budget to buy your new Tesla. And the reality is, if you buy it, you know that the interest rate, if you get a variable rate, that is, it's likely to come down in the next year on your car loan. So that's good news. And we've got the incentives for EVs now being pushed forward. Tesla is leading the charge on that. Of course, other companies like Lucid aren't getting it, but Tesla are and Mullen are. So there are some great reasons now to be in Tesla. I was going to sell my position at 189, but I've decided to actually keep it now because of the refining of lithium going on as well. Let's go back to that report there and read a bit more. Food prices grew at a slower rate. See what I'm saying about inflation is still going up. It's not inflation is coming down. It's the rate it's going up. Because remember, there's always inflation. Things always get more expensive. But the price target is 2% a year. That's what we want. So prices are still getting more expensive, but the rate they're increasing is slowing, which means the Fed are winning the battle. Okay, so food prices grew at a slower rate, 7.7 versus 8.5. That is significant. That's not a pivot, that's a pause. While energy costs fell further, down 5.1 versus 6.4, including gas 12.2 and oil down 20. Also, shelter costs, which accounts for 30% of the CPI basket, slowed for the first time in 2 years. This is huge news. 8.1% versus 8.2, only a small amount, but nevertheless, it's the first time. And prices for used cars and trucks declined once again, down 6.6% versus 11.6. Some of these numbers are quite big. Compared to the previous month, the CPI rose 0.4%, much higher than 0.1 in March, but matching market expectations. The shelter was the largest contributor to the monthly all items increased, followed by used cars and trucks and gas. So this is looking good. I'm excited for growth stocks right now. It will help massively things like Tesla. It won't help initially, I don't think, Virgin Galactic, another one of our top stocks. It's a completely different business model. This is up today. Let me share with you why this is up. This is up last night because the earnings was okay. The earnings was as expected. What the markets want is they want certainty. There was no uncertainty whatsoever. We knew that Virgin Galactic was losing money. It did lose money, and we know about the flights. They didn't talk much about it, but there's no delays. For some reason, though, a lot of people that buy Virgin Galactic are more speculative gamblers, and they dumped it, and I'm very glad they did, because it gave me a wonderful gift last night, and I posted it on my Twitter during our after hours with Virgin Galactic. We had a Virgin Galactic after hours party. This happened during my live music. It was oversold. It went all the way down. I bought it at the bottom and I sold it at the top, just on my Roth IRA, before anyone starts sending me hate messages going, I thought you were bullish about Virgin Galactic. What right have you got to sell your own shares? Well, it's my money. But anyway, I'm holding my long-term position as I said I always would, and I always do. But I did take profits with that pump there. It's the right thing to do because we're going to get a great pump in the next couple of weeks when the flights happen. However, take money along the way. That way you protect yourself and you build up more and more free shares. And if you do it in your Roth IRA, which is the way I don't trade in my brokerage account. There's no point. I just hold there for 20 years and reinvest the dividends on the dips, not automatically. If you do that, you don't pay any taxes on your Roth IRA. So there you go. That's what I did last night. So all looking good today on the show. Inflation is cooling. There goes Virgin Galactic starting to come back down. Let's see, everyone got excited and now they're selling it. And that's when I buy. I buy when everyone is selling. I sell when everyone else is buying. Try and be on that side of the equation. If you look at it there, just as I mentioned it, there it goes, look. See what happens. It could go down to $3 before it goes higher. Why do I say $3? There's a reason why I say $3. I speak to Virgin Galactic all the time, and I get a sentiment. Remember what I said about Virgin Orbit? Talking to the staff, talking to people there, you get a belief of where the stock really where they believe the stock is. And I believe that the stock is worth $3 right now. That doesn't mean to say it won't trade up to 100. It could sell off again, and I'll pick some more up again and do it all over again in my Roth, not my long-term position. So there we go. There goes Virgin Galactic as predicted. There is my main account looking good. Up today, as you can see, because of the inflation figures. I'm earning cash, earning money on the uninvested cash on Robinhood. We are reporting Robinhood earnings tonight. Join us up there if you want to be part of our Robinhood earnings tonight. Going to be really, really great. And there we go. There's the Roth looking strong. Now, it's not going to go down very much because I'm out of Virgin Galactic on my Roth. So it's protecting my all-time high of $25 away from the all-time high at 54.4. And there goes Virgin Galactic. As we talk about it, it's going down. So that's it from me. Have a wonderful morning, wonderful afternoon. And as always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Bye-bye for now. Okay. We'll put that out in a little bit. Look forward to talking to you this weekend. Ed Nevius, do you have any information? We need a coronation for the king. Thanks. Thank yous. Ed Nevius, we need a coronation for the king. Oh, thank yous. Not sure I get that comment. Do you want to rephrase that? Yes. I as well looking forward to it. Okay. Hi or oh. What, Keaton S? What are you upset about? What are you upset about? Virgin Galactic going back down again. That's what you want, isn't it? Isn't that what you want? Did you take your profits? Isn't that what you want? Is that what you're upset? Oh, thought he was going. Oh, keep forgetting he's doing mini vids throughout the stream. Oh, I see. You should know by now, Keaton. Oh, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, can you believe it? Last night, Keaton S was watching my music channel and he wasn't commenting. He was watching, but he wasn't commenting because I had subscriber only turned on because that way it encourages people to subscribe to your channel if they want to chat, right? Anyway, at the end, I turned it off for the last 10 minutes. I like to sort of give everybody a little treat at the end, those that don't want to subscribe, because I like to focus on our members, and so on. So right at the end of the video, I turned it off. So he came in. Keaton S said, "Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to subscribe to your music channel." I went, What? They're all the same? Everyone's channel is the same? When you subscribe to one channel, you've subscribed to every channel in the world. If you subscribe to Meet Kevin, you've already subscribed to me. If you subscribe to Graham Stepan, you've already subscribed to the BBC. What the hell's all that about? He went, "Oh, so should I subscribe to this channel?" I said, "Well, if you want, it's up to you. Do you like the content? Are you watching it?" "Yes, I'm watching it." "Well, then bloody subscribe to it then." He went, "All right then." And he subscribed to it. Oh my God. I couldn't believe it. I thought, what on earth is going on here? What on earth is going on here? Do people not understand how it works? I work my arse off here to bring you top quality entertainment, and I got people watching it going, what, am I supposed to subscribe? Well, you don't have to, but it helps. And if you want to chat in subscriber only chat, then you have to. So, Keaton S, next time you go on a YouTube channel, and if you like it, and if you think it's good, and you think, I'd like to engage with this, and maybe I want to get notified with more stuff comes out, you subscribe to it. If you don't like it, don't subscribe to it. It's bloody easy. I don't know what else to say. I spent half my life going subscribe and ring the bell. Subscribe, ring the bell. Perhaps if I said it once a year, it'd have more of an effect. It's probably because I say it every day that people don't take any notice anymore. It's probably that reason. I just assumed you blocked me. Oh yeah, I'm going to block you from watching my channel, aren't I? I don't want you watching my show. No, because when you watch my show grows. And I make ad revenue. I don't want that. Go away. Oh, by the way, just to be clear, I make absolutely zero on my music channel. Zero. I make money for everybody else, because what happens is, because I sing copyrighted material, the information that you the songs that you listen to are all copyrighted, and it all goes to the owner of the music. I don't get any money. The only way I earn money on YouTube is super chats. That's how I make money, and gaining subscribers and watch time. So then perhaps you'll discover my own songs. When I record my own songs, they earn money, whatever. Or then you discover this channel. But it's mainly super chats, memberships here, selling merchandise, whatever. It's just like a rock star who puts on a concert. They lose money on the concert, but then they sell the records. It's kind of the same thing. You use it to promote another element, but often people think, oh, Martyn Lucas makes so much money from YouTube ads. On my music channel, I get absolutely zero. I think I just thought that your two channels were linked together or something. Did you? Is that what you thought, is it? Fair. I mean, it's logical, I guess. I mean, that's perhaps why that guy... Do you see the guy last night? The guy last night came in. And he went, this is weird. I don't like it. You're not talking about Virgin Galactic stock. I went, because the title of the video is the After Hours Concert. This is the music channel, Martyn Lucas Music. It's on the banner. It's on the title, it's on the description, you name it, it's everywhere. And I'm sitting here singing songs, which gives you a good clue. And he went, well, I want to talk about Virgin Galactic. All right, well, I often watch the BBC, and I often phone in and say, I don't like this. I want to watch Sky News. And they go, well, this is the BBC. Well, I don't care. I want you to show Sky News. They never reply to my emails. I don't know why. But I often email the BBC and say, you know, will you share me? Will you play Sky News? And they go, no. I don't know why they don't do it. I think it's very selfish. So he said, I'm going. This is weird. I don't want to watch it. And I went, all right, then bye. And just as he went, live during my singing, I bought and sold some Virgin Galactic and I made some money. So he missed that. I don't care about stocks. I want Piano Man. There you go. See, what, right now in the show? Right now. See, Ali Isles has just come in. This is the sort of stuff that I have to deal with. This is why my life is the way it is. This is why it is. I've got people here watching an investment channel. Ali Isles, I don't care about stocks. I want the Piano Man. Even though he's watching an investment channel, Martyn Lucas Investor, and we're talking stocks. We've got stocks on the screen. He doesn't want it either. He wants the other channel. So what we need to do, we need to get those two people to swap channels. We need that clown to be watching this channel, and Ali Isles needs to bugger off and watch the music channel. Piano Man's there. You can loop it to your heart's content. Martyn Lucas, Just Google it. Just go Martyn Lucas Piano Man. Google it, and you can play it 24 hours a day to your heart's content. Don't come on here saying, I want the Piano Man. Oh, where did my life? I used to do all right in life. I used to go out and do gigs, and I used to be all right. Look at this. This is the sort of people I get. Keaton S. Nor me. I don't want to watch stocks either. I don't have any stocks, only crypto. Don't know how to do stocks and shares. Hence why winning the competition would be cool. Well, take part in it then. But this is the sort of thing we've got here. We've got this guy here. I'm not interested in stocks either, but I'm going to watch your channel and say, can you do something else? Have we got anybody here that would like to see some fishing videos or how to kayak down the Rio Grande? Anybody? Perhaps you could come on in and suggest that. Anyway, anybody want to watch something else other than what this channel actually is? You could go and watch BitBoy if you want. He does crypto all day long. It doesn't go live like I do 20 hours a day, but you could go and watch him. I don't think he'll talk to you though. He's too famous. He don't talk to no one. But you can go and talk to him if you want about crypto. I mean, you won't get this incredible banter, because no one else gets these sort of people watching their show. BitBoy doesn't have this problem. He doesn't have someone coming on saying, why don't you play the Piano Man? No one says that to him. They say, I'm here for crypto. He doesn't have this. Why do I have to put up with this? Why am I getting all this bloody grief? Anyway, everything's looking great this morning. Really, really great. I cannot believe the way Enphase has gone up so quickly. I'm so thrilled with this. I was down 8% this morning with Enphase, bought a big position and turned it around from 8% down. Can you believe it? Will Bitcoin go through 70,000 this year? 15,000 first, Manow. Can't stand BitBoy. He says, smash the like. Well, as it happens, so do I. And we had a poll for you. Again, don't go over old ground. You said, I don't want smash the like anymore. So you said, do a poll. So we did. We asked the audience, what do they want? And we had a vote, and I'm afraid it came out as smash the like, still won. What do you think about Google as a stock pick going forward? Google is a phenomenal stock. I own Google. I think I've got 2 positions on my Roth IRA and on my main account, because as the markets recover, businesses recover, and so people will start investing in ads revenue again. So Google's got a long way to go. It's a good value stock. I like it. I think it's phenomenal. I own it. I'm waiting for a dip, which is not going to come now. But that's okay. I own it through the S&P 500. So I own it anyway. See that? I own everything. Even if I don't buy shares in it, I own it. That's the thing, you see. That's the benefit of the S&P 500. It's up nearly an all-time high for me. I've got 0.5% to go. You can see it's 41% of my portfolio. So when I say I don't own Google, yeah, you do. Do you like Nvidia? Nah, don't like it. Well, you own it. Do I? Yeah, you do. Do you like Tesla? All right. Well, you own it. Do I? Nah. Yeah, you do. So do you like the conversation? It saves me hiring a co-host. I just talk to myself. It works. It works for me. Why is Martyn not wearing a tie? Hello? Why is Martyn not wearing a tie? So unprofessional. What the bloody hell's this? Can we get a hell yeah? Take longer to drink your coffee, please. Take longer to drink your coffee. Can we get, you are rich, Martyn Lucas Investor. Am I rich? Am I rich? I don't think, well, listen, I'm not, listen. What is rich? Do you know every single person watching here today, every single person that's watching me right now, I'm looking at the list, is 95% richer than everybody else on the planet. Did you know that? Sensei, Ali, Ednevius, Keaton S, Queen of Self-Braiding, James, Manal. Did you know you are 95% richer than everybody else on the planet? Did you know that? It's a fact. So, I can explain to you how that works out. Martyn, slowly read my last comment. Slowly read my last comment. Why is Mini Martyn not wearing a tie? Okay, I'll give you that. I'll give you that. Why is Mini Martyn not wearing a tie? Yeah, I'll have words. I'll have words. I think it's probably better, though, that I read it fast, because then it makes it more entertaining, having to go over it again, to be quite honest. Anyway, we've got 15 minutes to go, just under that now. Enough of this, because we've got a sponsor today. We've got a brand new sponsor. Someone liked the idea of ringing the bell, and they decided to sponsor it. So who is sponsoring the bell this morning? Does anybody know? Anybody knows? Can anyone guess who's sponsoring? We got a new sponsor this morning. Everyone was watching it going, I like this. I like this sponsoring the bell. I've always wanted to ring the New York Stock Exchange bell, but I'm not rich enough and famous enough. But by God, I can ring the Martyn Lucas Investor bell. Yes, I can. I can do that. Well, you can only do it if you've got $1,000. I mean, I don't just ring it for anyone, you know. It's $1,000 a go. And Sensei's been ringing it twice a day now for a week. It's costing him about 10 grand. He's down big time. But he felt it was worth it. He felt it was worth it, which it was, of course. So who's ringing the bell this morning? Anybody know? Anybody guess? Sid is here from the Netherlands. Engage the like button. Yes, do it. Make it so. Star Trek. Make it so. Engage. That's hilarious. Ha ha, Keaton. Will you marry me? Like button. Will you marry me? Like button. I think Jason Fallon's having a bit of a dodgy moment there. Don't know what's going on there. I know who. It isn't me. No, it's not you, Ali Arles. You can't afford $1,000. Me. How do you know it's you? How do you know it's you? I don't. It's not you. It's somebody new. Branson. No, it's not Richard Branson. Richard Branson can't afford it. He's just gone bankrupt with Virgin Orbit. He can't afford $1,000. Sensei, ring that damn bell. Virgin Galactic's going back down. We love it. The overall portfolio is up. We got 10 minutes to go. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic, I've got plenty of money in my Roth IRA, $1,000. I bought Enphase Energy this morning. Very, I'm very happy about that because it's oversold. It's worth 240 the end of the year. 240 the end of the year. So very happy with that. It's a good position. I don't need to own any more. Just be steady, balanced. All right, just be balanced. I haven't been balanced for years. I wish I had £1,000. Well, if you had £1,000, you could then sponsor the bell, right? Sid, engage the like button. Make it so. Yes, make that so. I pay $1,000 every time. I hope it's me. It's Leah. Leah. The bell isn't up for grabs. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's up to the highest bidder. Oh, yeah. If someone comes along with $1,001, they can have it. Don't tell me. It's my show. If I want to sell the bell, I'll sell the bloody bell. I'm telling you that for nothing. Right. Who have we got this morning on Rumble? 75 followers. Has everyone just followed me yet? Come on. I want to get 25. I want to get 100 followers within 2 weeks. Have you gone to the trouble to do it? There is Rumble right now. Can you please sort it out? Please sort it out. All right. It takes no time. You've probably all done it, but I don't know if you haven't done it or not. I don't know. I don't know if you've not done it. Anyway. Hold on. Is Martyn selling his... Oi, steady on. It's not that kind of show. You like that? See that? Look, I'm sponsored today. I'm actually sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Do you know how he sponsored me? He bought me a mug. He didn't actually buy me the mug, actually. He sent me some money and said, buy yourself a mug. I mean, it's a bit like that Christmas gift. You know, at Christmas, someone says, here's $10, go out and buy those pair of socks. It's like that. It's not quite the same, is it? It's not quite the same when someone says, here, here's $10, go and buy yourself a Christmas present. It's not the same, and that's basically what he did. He went, I'll send you $20 if you want on what's it called? Cash App. If you go out and buy yourself a mug so you can put it on the show. All right. So you're going to send me $20 to buy me. You're not really sending me a gift. You want me to use the money you've just given me to buy a gift for myself. Yeah. Right. So you're buying me a mug, right? So I can promote you. Yeah. Well, what's the point of that? What do I get out of that? I've got my own mugs. I could be showing mugs I could be showing my glass. Look, my beer glass. I could be showing that. He says, yeah, but if I buy you a mug, it's nice of me, isn't it? And then you can show it on the show. So, but I've got plenty of mugs. I've got hundreds of mugs. I got loads. I don't need another mug. He went, well, if I buy you the mug, can you promote my business? I went, I don't get anything out of that. I'm just promoting your business for nothing. I'm buying you a mug. I don't need a bloody mug. He went, well, I'm buying you one. I went, well, you're not buying me one. You're sending me the money for me to buy one myself. This is not a good deal. Lo and behold, the deal went through and everybody was happy. Apart from me. I'm not happy. In fact, I don't know why I'm still using it. It's about time I put a stop to it. I don't know why I'm sitting here. I should be sitting here with this. Yeah. In fact, to make up for it. Right? That's what you need. You need that. I don't even... Leah, bring another cup of coffee. Did you use your 25% code? No, I bloody missed it. I had to pay a premium as well. I even ended up making... I need to reevaluate my business plan because the way I do things, it's not good. The way I'm doing things here, it ain't good. Sensei Crypto takes advantage of me. He does. He takes advantage of me all the time. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, we've got 5 minutes to go for our brand new sponsor of our channel. It's not Sensei. Who's paid me more money? Sensei Crypto sitting there thinking, oh, God, I thought I was... how do I downgrade? You can't. You signed up 5 years. Once you ring the bell, that's it for 5 years. 5 years. So you can't downgrade your membership. No one is allowed to downgrade membership. In fact, I'm taking the downgrade button away, right? So, in fact, I'm going to go further. There is an upgrade button, and the downgrade button, if you click it, will upgrade you as well. So it's a kind of like a little thing I've thrown in. It's a little extra bonus. So when you click upgrade, it upgrades you. When you click downgrade, it upgrades you. So if you're happy where you are, I would suggest you do nothing and keep your gob shut and just sit back and go, oh, okay, this is how it is now. This is how it is. This is how my life is now on this channel. I'm watching every day, 8 hours a day. I pay to watch. I'm a member. I sit through ads. I get told off. And basically, if I upgrade, it costs me even more money. Yeah, I love it. bring it on. I want more of it. I want more of it. And you do. You want more of it. So you can't, I mean, what do I need to say? I need one of those buttons. That's a great business plan. I think it's a great business plan. I think I've got it down. There you go. Did you like that? That makes me down with the kids. Did you notice that? I got it down. That's not the thing a 54-year-old gentleman says. I've got it down. That's not the normal thing that would come out of my mouth, but it did this morning. Anyway, there you go. What opportunity do we have this morning? We've got how much money have we got? $1,000. I'm not buying anything. I'm waiting for something to go bump on an earnings. In fact, what we're waiting for is Robinhood tonight, because Robinhood now on my Roth could be very, very tasty. That's a big position there. 7% of my Roth. That's quite sound, isn't it? I don't need more than that. 105 shares. That's a good position, right? 7%. We got 3 minutes to go now for Ring My Bell. Ringing my bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. You're 54. Blimey, you had a hard paper round. Yeah, I'm 54. Am I 54? Lee, am I 54? Yes. I'm 54 years old. I just asked Leah. You can tell how old I am by the lines. Look, in fact, you can tell how old I am by the lack of lines. See that? See that there? There's not one crow's feet. See that? No Botox there, look. You know what that is? Do you know what the secret of that is? 54 years of age and not one single line. Not one single crow's feet. You know what the secret of that is? Do you want to know what the secret is? Soap and water. Soap and water. Right? I walked into one of those posh, those beauty shops years ago. You know when you walk in and everyone smells of perfume, the whole like Debenhams and Dingles or Macy's, everything smells of the same perfume. You walk in and there's a girl there with like 3 layers of makeup on. And she says, would you like to come and have a look at my products? She said, we do men's products as well. I went, oh, okay then. And she said, your skin looks very good. They always start with a compliment. Your skin looks very good. Well, thank you very much. Said, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking? 54 years of age. Well, your skin looks very good. Thank you very much. What do you use? Soap and water. Oh, you can't do that. That's bad for your skin. Hang on. You just said I look good. Well, no, it's not good for your skin. What you need all these products. You need this and this and this. Why? It's good for your skin. Soap and water's not good for your skin. I said, well, you just said I look good. Well, yeah, but soap and water dries your skin out. No, it doesn't. What it does, it keeps your oils coming back and it makes you look as young as me forever. Right? Ready? Time to ring the bell. Time to ring the bell. We don't know about that, Martin. We don't know about that, Martin. What don't you know about? What don't you know? I think you're behind the stream. What don't you know about? Eric B. I think Eric B's behind the stream. Eric B is talking rubbish. He doesn't know what's going on. Good luck, everyone. Yeah. I love Ed Nevius. He always starts out. That's his little trademark every morning. Good luck, everyone. The magic words of Ed Nevius. Right, you ready? Okay, here we go. A few seconds to go now, and we're about to ring the bell. Oh, yes, we are. And it's sponsored this morning by a brand new sponsor. We're very excited. And we're going to ring the bell in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Sensei Crypto sponsored the show. Unfortunately, at the last minute, my sponsor was cancelled. I had to go along with Sensei Crypto again. Thank you, Leah. Unfortunately, last minute they pulled out. They decided they couldn't afford the $1,000, so we're stuck with Sensei another day. All right. What sort of channel is this? What sort of channel is this? I don't know. It's a channel. I'll tell you what this channel is. It's a channel that has fun, makes people feel good, brings everyone together, builds a family, supports each other when we're down. Oh, I love it. Look at Virgin Galactic. And makes money as well. Absolutely right. And it uncomplicates the world of finance. It just gets down to basics and it works. And along the journey, we're all having a bloody good time. Right, let's have a look. What can we do this morning? What opportunities have we got? We're $50 away from an all-time high. Rivian. Rivian smashed earnings last night. My heart was racing. We got a new sponsor this afternoon, though. Right. He was like, he was thinking, right, anyway, there we go. Yes, we're looking for some drops. The Virgin Galactic. Down she goes. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go over to Virgin Galactic. We've got the flights coming up soon, so I'm going to get back in on Virgin Galactic again. I wonder how low we can go. Let's go to SPCE. Now, we sold it. Let me just check my figures a moment, my history, and see what I did. I bought it for $380 and I sold it for $394. So we're back down there again. So let's get ready to buy. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I do it on my phone so I can keep the screen alive for you in case we get a security check, which does sometimes happen and logs everything out. So it's the way I do it now. Seems to work better. Okay, so here we go. Number of... let's do a limit order. Three... We're waiting for it to go down. It's not there yet. I'm just waiting for it to go lower. The overall account is flying. That's good. The S&P is up. I've got enough. I don't need to buy any more. Virgin Galactic. It's not cheap enough yet. VorbQ. Rivian. It's not sold off yet. Tesla. Could easily make $200 today. Lucid. No, it popped and went back down again. Waste of time. Apple. Amazon, McDonald's, they're all flying. Remember, I buy nothing that's going up. I buy when it goes down. Jordan Lockwood just subscribed. I got a subscriber on, was that Twitter? Was that Twitch? I think I just got a subscriber. Did I get a subscriber on Twitch then? What was that? Where did that come from? I got a subscriber from somewhere. I don't even know where that was. Does anyone know what that was? I got a subscribe. Maybe I've got another account with something else. Right, okay. Let's keep checking. Virgin Galactic 390. Yeah, let's get a nice 5 or 6% drop. And if not, we'll just hold it. Not a problem. Tesla, we'll get Rivian. Nothing yet. Tesla's going to fire away today. Tesla could go to $200 today, by the way. Just saying. Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, it's all on fire. Look at this. J&J defensive stocks now are Google, no. Microsoft. We're looking for something with a good value that makes money that is on sale. And good luck with that today. Jordan Lockwood. There's Jordan Lockwood. What did you just subscribe to a moment ago? Can you tell me what it was? Where did you subscribe to me? He's subscribing everywhere. He's all over the place. Hey, how are you? You know what you need to do, Jordan? You need to become a member of our family, and then you get 20 times back what you put in. Trust me, it's the best investment you'll ever make. That's why 95% of our live viewers are members. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube where people are members who watch live. 95%. Mr. Beast has about 9%. We're 95% with the highest engagement rate of YouTube. So become a member, and I guarantee I will give you a gift now. You will love it, and you will say that's the best $2 I've ever spent in my entire life. I promise you, you'll say it's the best thing you've ever done in your life. Right, Enphase Energy is going back up again. Bitcoin is up nearly 2%. Till rate is up. We're just holding our position. We're not adding or we're not selling. Robinhood, we got the earnings tonight. But follow you on TikTok. Clicked on your other channel first. You subscribed to the music channel first. Well, thank you so much. We had the after hours party last night. That's what he subscribed to. I was thinking, there's two subscriptions. Now I understand. That makes perfect sense. All right. That makes sense. Now I get it. All right. Robinhood earnings tonight. Now, it's going to be a big night on Robinhood tonight. If you want to join us, here is the Robinhood earnings. We're also covering Rumble, Arrival, and Walmart all live on our show. Here's Robinhood. Let me give you the link right now. Everybody wants to be the first person to get there because I often highlight your comment and promote your channel. And if you're a YouTube member, I will put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Oh, yeah. Right, we've got 4 likes already. Looking good. Hand Pirate. We got a new person here who's just popped in. Look, Hand Pirate just popped in. I'm going to... Hanad. I'll promote him later on. I like when I get new people in. I like it. All right, okay, let's go back to the main account. What are we looking? Join where? Join where? Here. Let me give it to be a member of our channel. And I do good things for you. I promise I'll give you a gift. I'm like Mr. Beast, but I'm better. I'm like Mr. Beast, but better. All right, there's it. There's the link in the chat. Invitation to join. All right, Jordan Lockwood. All right. If you do that, you'll get a nice surprise. I promise you. Right. Virgin 382. Okay, here we go. 380, 380, 382. I'm happy with that. Continue. Market hours. Continue today. Number of shares. 200. 200. Yes, I just bought back in at 380 on Virgin Galactic. There you go, on my Roth position. My Roth position, I've just bought it back in again. So, let's go over. That should refresh now. There you go. Just bought it in. I just bought Virgin Galactic back. Very nice indeed. Right. The flights are happening next week. I don't know why everyone's... Well, I do know why everyone's doing it. We know why everyone's pumping and dumping the stock because they've lost money over a long period of time. The insecurity of Richard Branson with Virgin Orbit. But we know that the flights are happening, so it will go up again. So this is a great opportunity. Here we go. We're starting to go up. I will sell in a minute. Right. It's exciting. I like it. 381. Let's get in. Here we go. I just bought 200 this time. I doubled it. Last time I did 100. And I took 8%. I'll anything above 8%, anything around 8% is good. We are down nearly 7% today, so I expect an 8% profit on that, something like that. So around about $80 we can make from this today. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, I'm very surprised at the way that it's trading, losing faith in the massive pump and dump on flights I anticipated. Yes, I'm very surprised at the way this is trading, losing faith in the massive pump and dump on flights I anticipated. I'm just going to sell it. As soon as if it goes up 8%, I'm going to take my money again, and I'm just going to keep doing that and put it into a safe stock. For example, Enphase Energy today, which I turned minus 8% into minus 2. So I'm happy with that. And the S&P, CPI is coming down. Markets, a bull market will start. I said late spring, summer. Some say next year. I think it can happen now. Remember, the markets are 6 months ahead. It's worth remembering. 381. This is exciting, right? CHSN on watch, heavy volume today, due diligence, wait for setups. I only want to add 200 more shares, so I have 1,000 shares and hold it. But make money along the way, though. What's wrong with making money along the way? Jordan Lockwood. Where's Jordan Lockwood from? How are you, Jordan? Right, the overall portfolio is selling off. People are taking profits. That's not a surprise. We're now at 54,100 with 300 off an all-time high. So we're okay with that. Unfortunately, we don't have anything like a Roth here, so we can always have cost per transaction. Yes, exactly. The Roth is the way to go. I wouldn't do this on my brokerage account. There'd be no point. I do it on my Roth IRA because at the end of the day, it's free trading with Robinhood anyway. Think I joined? No, you didn't. If you joined, it would have said on the screen that you are a member and you'd have a badge. Here it is. If you joined, you would have a badge like everybody else, and it would light up on the screen. So it hasn't happened yet, Jordan. And then I can upgrade your account. I can promote your account. I can, if you go silver, I can put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I can get everyone to subscribe to your channel. I can tag you in my viral posts on Twitter, help you grow. I love to do that. Like I say, like Mr. Beast, but better. All right. Virgin Galactic is down now 8.4%. From Manchester, fantastic. My team is Manchester United. I saw David Beckham play in the 90s. Long time ago, and wearing my t-shirt. Come on, Jordan, join up, lad. There you go. Virgin Galactic, now then, 372, down 2%. When are we going to get the lift? Let's see what happens. I'm not going to buy any more. It took my $3. Did you sign in with the other account? When you did it, Jordan, did you use another YouTube account? Because he's going, it took my $3. If you've signed, when you did it, was you on a different account? Was you signing into YouTube on a different account? Do you have two? And it maybe is that. So then make sure that you are signed in this channel right now with the right account, and you'll have a badge on your name, so we'll know it's you. Ouch! Unsubscribe. You're a City fan. Sorry. Yeah, I support City. No, I support Manchester United. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. 380. It's trying to come back up again now. We're watching it closely. The S&P is now recovering. Here we go. Here we go. It's its first little bounce. 382. Let's get ready to rumble. We want to make some money if we can. Virgin brand has taken a lot of money out of me recently, so I need to take some profits from it. I've lost about $40,000 on the Virgin brand, as you all know, over the last 18 months. Maybe I'll look into it. DW, I'll sort it. Who's DW? Followed you for ages on TikTok. Well, Jordan, thank you so much indeed. Oh, here we go. Here we go now. So now it's, 383. Here we go. Fantastic. Oh, look at this. Here we go. Look at this. Let me clock the time on this. Let me clock the time. The time is, we'll put this out as a video, 1 hour 14. This is good. 1 hour 14. I need to get it in 1.14 SPCE. Okay, here we go. I need to bring this up on the screen. I've got to be quick here. Production screen. This is very hard sometimes to be this quick when you've got to do it like this. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We made money in the after hours last night on Virgin Galactic. Just like this, during my live concert, the after hours celebration, it went all the way down, overreaction. I don't know what's wrong with investors of Virgin Galactic. Well, I do know it's all to do with speculative gamblers. They don't understand what they're investing in, which is great for me. Went all the way down and I bought at the bottom and sold at the top. And guess what? It's happening again this morning. The flights are happening in a couple of weeks' time. The earnings was exactly as predicted, but it didn't satisfy others. So what did I do? I just bought the bottom of the dip, and here we go again. I keep my long-term position, but I am adding in my Roth IRA. I use my Roth IRA because it's free to trade with Robinhood. Reporting tonight, click above my head for the Robinhood report. There we go. But also, more importantly, in my Roth IRA, there's no tax. And as you can see, like I just bought at the bottom and I'm up 2.39, 18 bucks. There you go. And I'm going to sell it again now. I'll just keep doing that and get free shares and then put in my main brokerage account. It's easy. Right, let's have a quick look now. Let's sell it. So we're going to go over now to my trading screen and we're going to sell it again. So I've now got these extra shares. This is just my trading shares, not my main shares. I need to make that clear. Okay, so here we go. We'll trade and we'll go into there now. This is how I'm doing it. We will sell. I'm doing it on my phone. It's much easier. And I will do a limit order. And this time I'll go for 387. We'll just call it there. 387, doesn't matter really, 387, because I'm not going to literally fire it off yet. 387 market hours, and I'm going to sell those 200 today. Continue 200. We've got 201, so we'll just do 200. There we go. That's ready to go. Review that. $774. So far, I've made 20 bucks. Keep making 20 bucks over and over again. And all I've got to do is swipe up now and it will sell. So we're watching it go to 391. It drops it's an 8% swing on this. And all it is people know it's going to fly next week. They know it's going to 10 bucks when that happens. But for some reason, they drive it down and keep scalping it in between now and then. So I'm doing it. You know, I always buy when everyone's selling. If everyone dumps the stock, I will pick it up. And I'm not going to get too greedy, because if you get too greedy, you can miss out. I've had a 3% gain there. You can see, look, it's now making me 22 bucks, and I don't mind. I'll make $1. I don't mind, over and over again. And remember, there's no tax implication here. There's no short gains tax on this. Up she goes. Up she goes. I mean, at any point now, I could sell it. Around the $4 is when it will start to go down again. People are now buying it at this point, and when they're buying is when I'm selling. Okay, so 393. It could go up a bit more. It could, but it's more likely to go down first. So I'm ready to swipe. My finger is on the button. Are you ready? Let's see if we can do it. And over again, we'll just make a few bucks each time we do it. I've got my long-term position. 390, shall we go? And 391. You ready? In 3, 2, 1, swipe. We're going to sell it. There we go. We just sold it. 391. There we go. That's a profit. Now, I don't care if it goes to $4 now. There we go. The moment I sold it, look, it tipped over. It can carry on going, and I don't mind. It doesn't matter, because that is free money to me over and over again. There we go. So that's Virgin Galactic. It was a good earnings last night. So you taking advantage of all this crazy volatility this morning. CPI was down. The market's looking good. Everything for the future is looking good. Now, it doesn't matter how bullish you are on Virgin Galactic. You've got to take some money along the way in your Roth IRA. It's tax-free, isn't it? Go to your main portfolio, as you can see here. If I share on the screen, my main portfolio, I'm keeping my position. I'm not selling anything. Right, I've got 336 shares. I want to get it back up to 3,000. With the profits I make from the Roth, I can buy it here and add to my position. But there you go. There's my Virgin Galactic position there. Down 1.78. That's nothing really because I've made profit last night and this morning. I could put it in there if I want to and leave it alone. Anyway, there you go. So that's how to make money with Virgin Galactic. It was a good earnings, but the speculative gamblers just dumped it. And as always in the markets, if you believe in a company and you've already made your decision of what you want to own, what you want to buy, then when everybody dumps it and drives it down 8 or 10% in moments, for me, it's a no-brainer. I pick it up. But always within balance, always knowing if it goes down another 10%, I've got extra funds to pick up some more so I can lower that average. It's very important not to go all in on the first trade. Do it 2 or 3 times unless you really believe it's about to pop up the other way. But you can't know that because nobody else knows that either. So there we go. Now, if Virgin Galactic goes back down again, I will do that all over again. And we can keep doing that all day long and keep making 20 bucks. The target is 300 bucks a day on my channel. That's what I try to make. Tax-free with no stress or issues. All right, there it is. Virgin Galactic. Are you trading it? Are you holding it? My opinion, not my advice, is you should have 2 accounts, your long-term investment and your trading account. Because if people want to dump it, you want to buy it, in my opinion. And join us tonight for the earnings of Robinhood. And if you want to check out last night's after-hours party, when we had a great after-hours party during our what was it? Our what do you call it? I can't remember what I'm saying now. Our Virgin Galactic after party. Let me share with you on the screen here. I can give you the link for it. There you go. We had an after hours party last night. Just here, look. And we had some fun. And during the show, I actually did some trading live on the screen as I was singing. If you want that, I'll give you the link for that right now. Here we go. Just above my head. Somewhere around about there, you'll see that. Have a great day. Join us tonight for the after hours for Robinhood. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay. Let's come back to here a minute. Let's go back to the account. Don't worry, says Ali Isles. Don't worry. I'll look at. Don't worry. I'll sort. Oh, I see. Ali Isles is giving me the jingo. Jingo, lingo, I don't know what it is. Martin, Bright Health Group is going to be up this morning with a volume of 740. Check it out when you're done with your live. I can do it during a live show, Leyland Johnson. If you become a member of my channel, I can review a stock. I can promote your YouTube channel. I can tag you in my viral posts on Twitter and make a video of it during a live show. So I do it during a live show, but it is a member's perk. If you want to become a member of my channel, let me give you the invitation to join, and you get 20 times back. It's why 95% of our live viewers, more than any other channel in the world, 95%, highest engagement rate on any channel in the world when it comes to live viewers who are members. And there you go. I'm still up 280% with IMGM. So do I sell or hold? It depends on your position, doesn't it? Only you can know the answer to that. Ali Isles, tuning, can you set a stop trading loss? Only during opening hours you can, not in closing hours you can't. Ed Nevius, sell, slide liquidity, and now buy side liquidity on CHSN. John, good morning, John. Welcome to you. Eric, mate, no, it's on my free trade, which is for investing, not day trading. Otherwise, I could have done. Okie dokie. Now then, Virgin Galactic, where has it gone now? The S&P is just falling a bit today. presenting some opportunity. Let me get out of Virgin Galactic. I've got, yep, $1,100 back in the account. That's what we want. Look at that, look, 1,116 back in the account. Brilliant. So we've got plenty of money to buy if we get a dip. We've got 2,700 in the brokerage account, earning 4.6%. That's good. Always keep that. The Roth is just a few bucks away from an all-time high. And 54, we are $65 away from an all-time high on the Roth IRA as well. All right, brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Perfect. I watched the MACD, John and 920 EMA looking for the cross. Ed Nevius. Now, Ed Nevius is giving away our biggest ever cash giveaway on Friday. We're giving away our biggest ever giveaway. $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training with Ed Nevius, learning about charts, learning about setups, candles, you name it, for free. It's free to enter, free for all. There is the information. You can win with one ticket. I'll give it you 3 times so you can see it in the chat. It's our best ever giveaway. Look at this. If not everyone doesn't enter, I don't know what else I can do. Here is the link, martynlucas.com/giveaway. All you got to do is go to this page and do whatever action you want to get free tickets. The more you do, the more tickets you get, the more chances you have on winning. Scroll down and turn all these into ticks. Follow a post, like a post. Comment on a video. We got some really big prizes at the bottom. 20 tickets if you leave the precise comment on this video. Read the instructions. Some people don't read the instructions. Read the instruction. It tells you what comment to leave. And the more things you do, the more tickets you get. And remember, you can win with just one single ticket. Let me give everybody on Rumble the link as well. There you go. Best ever giveaway. $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training. Look, Martin. Look, Hassan. Look at what? Look at what? What? Virgin Galactic? Yeah, I've just made some money. Is that what we're talking about? I just sold it again. I've done it twice now in 24 hours. Virgin Galactic. Is that what you're talking about? Let me give everyone my Rumble account. I'm trying to get to 100 followers in 2 weeks. We're at 75 right now. If you've not yet followed me on Rumble, there is the link in the chat. I'll give it you 3 times so it stands out. There you go. Space, I know. I bought it here at the bottom and I sold it just there. I just made myself some more money. I've got my long-term position. I'm not selling that. And I'm up on it, but I've made money along the way, tax-free in my Roth IRA as well. Fan-flipping-tastic. All right, it's overreaction. I love when people don't know what they're investing in and they dump it. Makes it, oh, they are, we've done it. We're celebrating. We've got an all-time high, 54,453. Fan-flipping-tastic. It's an all-time high. We are loving it. We are loving it. It's the happy music. Absolutely right. I can't believe it. We are loving it today. And where did I put the celebration? Where did I put that celebration? Is it here? Oh, here it is. Yeah, here it is. All-time high today. Fireworks. Boom. Yes! Woohoo! Great stuff indeed. We're at an all-time high again today. Brilliant. 54,435. And now we're going to get every 3 months $100 in dividends as well, which is going to be reinvested. This is absolutely fan-flipping-tastic. I love it. All right. So then, if Virgin Galactic drops back down again, we will do it again. On my Roth, my main account, I'm keeping it. But my Roth, I'll keep trading it. Very good. All right. We're seeing a big pump now. We're getting a big pump now. This is a really good day for the markets. Look at this. Here we go. The overall portfolio has hit a new all-time high. We are up on the live position. No, yes, we're up on the live. We're up on the day. We're up on the week. We're up on the month. Consistently making profits now, folks. Up on 3 months. And year to date, we're up 10.08. Not quite our high for the year, but very, very close. Only $100 away. So we're virtually, and we will be in the moment, at an all-time high on my main account. My Roth IRA, we're up. We've broke through 14,000. That's an all-time high. We're up on the day, the week. We're up on the month. AMV is up 7.2%. AMV, just breaking news there, up on the month. 3 months, we've got 3.95 to go. The reason why we're down is Tesla dropped all the way down and we lost $1,000 with Virgin Orbit, which is why we're scalping out of Virgin Galactic, because you cannot assume that everything's always going to go up. You've got to make some money along the way. That's why we're down. Otherwise, we'd be up on our Roth IRA. But Hood earnings coming up tonight. We are going to report on it. We're just 3% down from being in the green on our Roth IRA. We're still not. And the reason why we're not is because Tesla oversold and we lost money. I lost $1,000. In fact, I lost more than that. I lost about 4 or 5 grand with Virgin Orbit, but I managed to get some of it back. Anyway, there we go. Let's go to the all-time position. Yeah, we're smashing the all-time high now. Next target is $55,000. Ooh. Do you think it will stay above 4? No. No, I don't. No, I don't. It will when it flies. But between now and then, everyone's pumping and dumping it. And all you've got to do is be buying when everyone's selling. When everyone starts dumping it, you're not in. You're not in. You're already out. Here it goes again, look. Here it goes again. Unbelievable. Opportunity knocks, folks. It's up to you. You've decided whether you want this stock or not. You're not buying it on impulse or excitement. You've already decided whether you want this stock. You've done your due diligence. You've done all of your your checks. You know what the stock is worth. It's worth $3. All right? That's what I've worked it out to be. It's worth $3, period. But will it trade to $100? Yes, it will. When it flies consistently, yes, it will. And you need patience for this stock. So along the way, you've got your long-term position and you've got your short-term position. For me, it's $100 a share, but not because it's worth that, because it will trade to that. They are very different things. Anyway, you have really grown your Roth IRA so fast. I know, I can't believe it. Queen. And remember, I have even less income now. I have 0, okay? My only income is what I do on trading and what I do on YouTube and Rumble and TikTok. This is my full-time living. I cancelled all my gigs. My focus is to you, 100% live every day. This is my entire income. There's nothing else now I do at all, okay? Virgin Galactic, here she goes again. Let's get ready to rumble. Roth IRA, here we go. Let's go back over to it again. Let's do it again. Roth IRA, Virgin Galactic. And now people try and time the market. They get greedy. They go, I want to get it for this position here, 370 or 38, whatever. I don't care about any of that stuff. I don't care. People laugh at me. They go, oh, you only made $10, $20. Yeah, but I do it over and over again consistently. It doesn't matter. I'm not trying to time the market, beat the market. I'm investing in Virgin Galactic long term. I'm just making profits along the way because they're dumping it on me. So I might as well pick up some profits, right? It's tax free. It's easy. Why not? So I bought at 380 and sold at 391. So we'll do it again. We're not looking to try and beat the market. So if it goes down to 380, we'll do it again. I don't need to go to 370 or 360 or 350 or anywhere in between. Just do it at 380 and then sell it at 390, $4. Anyway, and if it goes up without me, that's fine. I'm already in anyway. All right, scalp them, base hits and home runs. will hit and there, says Ed Nevius. My granddaughter is 6 years of age and we listen to you every morning. You're silly. And she said you repeat yourself too much. She said, Granddad, is he okay? Is he a little under stress? I love that. JP Rothschild, if you become a member of my channel, even bronze level, I will do a happy birthday song in my studio today for your 6-year-old granddaughter. People pay me $500 to make happy birthday videos. I will do it for free if you become a member. It's one of the members' perks. It's only a couple of bucks for a bronze member, and I will do it live in the show, and the whole screen will light up with my music channel behind me, and we'll do a happy birthday for you. Or at least for your granddaughter. So, if you would love to give your granddaughter a special video she can keep for the rest of her life, and you can share with all your family and friends, here's the invitation to become a member of my channel, and I will do happy birthday during the live show. You've got about half an hour left if you want to do it, because we'll be gone in a minute, and it'll be too late. And there you go. There is the invitation to join, should you wish to do so. All right. Let's have a look. Wow, Palantir went over $10. Congratulations, Sid. Very nice indeed. The S&P, the overall portfolio is flying. The S&P is also up. We're nearly at an all-time high. Virgin Galactic hasn't yet sold off again at the moment. Rivian is flying high. I've got a long-term position. I did sell it last night for $14.50. I missed out on about $50 of profit. It doesn't matter. I took a profit. I've still got my long-term position. I'm holding it. And if we get a drop, I'll do it again. Tesla is running now. It's up 173. I'm actually up in the money right now. Lucid, I wouldn't touch it. It's losing $500,000 for every car it sells. Can you believe it? Apple, Amazon. Amazon's a big part of my portfolio. Wow, it's worth $6,000 now. IonQ, doing well. Well, IonQ, we report on it tomorrow night, I think it is. If you go to my main account, here is the Robinhood earnings. We're reporting on Robinhood earnings tomorrow night. Sorry, tonight. Make sure that you join us for Robinhood. There you go. There's the link. Let me come. Virgin Galactic now, 411. It's flying. Woohoo! Excellent stuff. What is next? We've got IonQ is on the 11th. Tomorrow. Yes, IonQ is tomorrow. Fantastic. I've got a small position in IonQ. Just 40 shares there right now, but we report tomorrow. Tilray doing well at the moment as well. Let's go to Tilray. Tilray today's up 4%. Excellent stuff indeed. Now then, I've got my long-term position. I'm up 1.2%. My Roth IRA, I'm up 10%. Time to sell some Tilray, do you think? No. I don't need any more cash in my Roth IRA. I don't need any more cash. I've got $1,000 in my Roth IRA. I don't need any more money. It doesn't earn me any interest. I might as well let it ride, because that is a $40 stock as well. Okay. Let me do a quick checkup on where we are this morning. Let's go over to Rumble and welcome everybody over there. If you've not yet joined me on Rumble, I'm trying to get to 100 followers in 2 weeks. We're at 75. Give me a follow if you can. There's the link in the chat. Let's look onto YouTube and see what's moving this morning. We've had 132 through the stream. That's good. We're doing all right there. What's being searched today? What's being searched? Virgin Galactic, the earnings after hours is still being watched. Very interesting. People are still interested in that. Good. 7510. Oh, another 3 this morning. Excellent stuff. And we're on target for 1 million views by the end of next month. Very exciting. And 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Right then. Now then, over on YouTube, can we please ask? It'd be really helpful. There's 37 of you watching. If you could, in 1 minute, let's get to 30 likes on the channel. It really, really helps. If you tap the like button, more people come here, and I learn from more people. The more traders and investors come onto our channel, the more we can learn from other people. Smash the like. Okay, we're at 33 watching. We're at 19 likes. Let's get to what? 25 likes. Should be able to do that easy, right? In 30 seconds, smash the like button. It really, really helps the channel grow. If you can, I appreciate it enormously. All right, let me end the timer. It's gone a bit quiet. I think we're stuck at 19. Never mind. Or 20. 20. Slowly moving. Mr. Mini-Me says that. 21. Thank you so much indeed for tapping the like button. It makes a huge difference. I really, really appreciate it. If you just liked it, come into the chat and I will give you a shout out. Be really great. Make it so, Sid. Make it so, yeah? I knew he was going to say that. All right, 21. We moved a little bit. Thank you very much indeed. Tilray's running. Now then, back to the main portfolio. Here we go. Mullen is now pushing up. Mullen, Peter Heyer, how are you? I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Mullen, Peter, we are running a poll on my Twitter. I think it's just finished about Mullen, actually. Let me have a quick look. I'm running a poll on Mullen. Let's have a quick look. It might have finished. Let me just scroll down. One more second. I'm just going through. Oh no, it didn't. Yes, it's. This is interesting. You might like this poll if you are an investor, Peter Hamir. Sorry, I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name there. This is the poll on my Twitter. If you'd like to comment on it, we had a poll, what's the best EV to buy? And Mullen won with 50%. Tesla was 30%. Arrival at 7%. And Lucid at 12.2%. If you'd like to comment on that post and share that around, then feel free. That's a good poll there for Mullen. All right, there's the link in the chat. I've just given it to you. Done. Oh, the Queen has just done it. Let's have a look. Have we got 76 followers now? Let me refresh it. We had 75. Oh, you've already done it, I think. It's still at 75. I think she must have done it before. Already selected Mullen, says Peter. Okay, I'll think about it. I'm not spending $2 on my granddaughter. I'm not getting the World Piano Man, as voted by Elton John, to sing Happy Birthday to my granddaughter. It's $2. I'm not paying it. I'm not paying it. I like it. People pay $500 for me to do that. I'm giving it you for free if you become a member, and then you get a whole host of other gifts. It's my gift to you. You're not paying for it. I'm giving it to you. All right? But anyway, he's thinking about it. Do I love my granddaughter enough? I don't know. $2. I don't know. I don't know about this. I love it. I love having fun with you, JP. You don't have to do it. Of course you don't. The S&P is up today, 0.59. I'm having some fun today. Virgin Galactic, my long-term position, I'm holding, and I'm out of my Roth position right now. Okay, we'll leave it there. It looks like Virgin Galactic is not a buy anymore today. So we're not going to bother with it now. We're going to let it just do its thing. There's no real point. There's nothing really to buy right now. I'm just holding my cash everywhere for drops. Nothing really to buy. Not now. Let me just check my history. We've got dividends, Walmart dividends pending. They're coming in as well. Okay, so we're now a holding market. We're not a buying market. We don't want to buy anything today. We're already in Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple. Right, I'm going to run a poll right now. I'm going to run a poll, probably the most important poll of the year. Here is our new poll. Okay, we're going to tweet this now. It's our brand new poll. Okay, most important poll of the year. In fact, the most important poll we've done for 2 years. Okay, so we're going to do, has the bull market, remember, no one knows for 6 months. Rumble. What about Rumble? I'm on Rumble and we are doing the earnings for Rumble as well. Has the bull market started, or are we still in a bear market rally? Okay. Okay, so let me get your thoughts on this. This is probably the most important poll we have done, if I'm honest. Let me add my Twitter post default. Okay, let me add this. Okay, and there we go. At the bottom of that is my Rumble account and my music account, if anybody wants that. So here we go. The poll is bull market or bear market rally. Okay, we'll run this poll for 1 day, a short poll. Has the bull market started, or are we still in a bear market rally? Let me just improve the consistency of my post. All right, there we go. Let's tweet that out. And I'm going to add to this Mullen, because I've got a lot of people interested in Mullen, Tesla, and SPCE. And I think that's it. What is the other one? Oh, Lucid. Lucid as well. Okay. I think that'll do. Right, let's tweet that out to you. A rally. So, well, let's get your thoughts. Let's get your thoughts. I'm going to give you the link to it now. Copy link to tweet. Here we go. What do you think? Are we in a bear market rally, or is it the beginning of the bull market? There is the post. Let's see who's the first to vote. But tell me why. Tell me why your sentiment is what it is. If you go, we're in a bear market rally, tell me what you're looking for to send it into a bull market, because we can't be in a bear market rally forever. We've been in a bear market rally now for 5 months. You can't be in a bear market rally forever, because it defaults to a bull market, because consistent rises in the market sentiment is now a bull market. So at what point does it become a bull market? Well, you decide. Okay, there is the poll. I'm going to refresh it just to make sure it's gone through. And we've got no votes on it just yet. I will come back to it in a minute and see what you say. Did I give everyone the link to it? Yes, I did. Okay, here we go. Just topping off now. The S&P topping off. Virgin Galactic's 420. I'm up in my main account now. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, coming back down again. The fact they beat earnings so much is I'm very bullish on Rivian. Now, I have it in my long-term position, but in my Roth IRA, I'd like to buy it back. I sold it last night for a profit, and we've not yet had the sell-off yet. All we've had is it rising, and people will sell it because they'll need to, because they've lost a lot of money, and they'll want to take some profits along the journey. And here is the first selling off this morning. Okay, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. Defensive. Good for the dividends, remember. Good for the dividends. Good safe money right now. Good place to put your money. I don't know if everybody was behind an ad then. If you saw an ad, I don't know, because a very slow response to the poll. So if you missed it, we are running a poll. Let me give you the link again. Copy link to the poll. Here it is. Are we in a bull market now, or is it a bear market rally? Okay, now, like I said before a few moments ago, if you were behind the ad, we can't be in a bear market for a bull. We can't be in a bear market rally forever. We can't. It's 5 months now. And remember, nobody knows when the bull market has started until they look back in 6 months and go, the bull market started then. Nobody actually knows. They'll declare it. Let's say they declare it tomorrow. We're in a bull market. The bull market may have started 6 months ago, but we now have declared it. So it's worth noting that CPI is coming down. Rate hikes have peaked. We're going to hold them, though. They're not going to drop them. So I think this is the worst it gets. I don't think a big drop's going to come like other people think it is. I don't think that's going to happen. That might happen for you on your portfolio if you've got a high-risk stock which suddenly loses money. But my portfolio, I believe, has bottomed. I said in December my portfolio had bottomed. I stand by that. It's been 6 months now since I said my portfolio had bottomed, and I believe it. I don't see the markets going down 20-30%. It could happen. That's why I've got money on hand if it does, but I don't see it happening. I don't see that happening now. So what do you think? The poll now is 3 votes, bear market rally. 1 vote is obviously the bull market. Well, let's come back to that in a little bit. Space. 420. Very, very nice indeed. I've got 336 shares. That's nearly 4% of my portfolio. And that is right. It's a high-risk stock, no matter how passionate you are. And it's also a long-term investment as well. Long-term investment to make consistent profits. And that's what we want, consistent profits. And there is a dilution coming. So it will go back down. So we want to take profits along the way. And if it drops again today, we'll do it again. Be our 3rd time in 24 hours. Rivian, 11.44. Waiting for that to pull back. Tesla, still going up. It's cooling off a bit. Lucid, it's pumping up. I've really kind of, I've got a long-term position on Lucid, but I'm really not that thrilled with them anymore. It doesn't make any sense. Amazon, McDonald's going back down, 14% up. Source of funds now, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy. We're now in the money. We got good dividends. Enphase Energy. That's the story of the day. I was down 8% this morning. I'm now down 0.9%. Absolutely awesome. Really, really good. Really, really excited with that. So, there we go. Enphase, the future, no question about it. 7 shares now, and we are down 0.88. Should I sell my Tesla stocks or keep long term? Sherry, I can't give financial advice. I don't know your position. I don't know exactly where you stand. I don't know whether you got margin, what's your diversity of your portfolio, what your belief and understanding is, what your temperament is on Tesla, how you feel about it. I can't tell you. For me, I trade it and I also own it long term. This is my position on the screen. In my Roth IRA, and my intention was to sell it or sell 2 shares at 189. I'm in the money right now, and it's going to make me some more money very soon. I actually think that with the new refining business that Tesla has brought on, we are at 250 for this stock, medium term, this year. Cathy Wood, on the other hand, $2,000 a share, talking absolutely rubbish. Cathy Wood is about Cathy Wood, and that is insane. Some of the numbers that Cathy Wood comes out with are really to only benefit Cathy Wood's ego and so on, and they are to drive engagement to her management company. I don't take a word of what she says with any credibility. It makes no sense. You look at the numbers and you'd need half the world, driving a Tesla. $2,000 a share makes no sense. Now, can it trade to $2,000 a share? It can, but you'd be walking on a tightrope with someone sticking a spike in your back going, get off. I mean, it would be so ridiculously overpriced, you'd be walking off a cliff with a blindfold. We've seen this before. Tesla got ramped up all the way, and the only reason why a stock goes up is because people buy it. The stock goes down because people sell it. And Elon Musk, a great company and a great entrepreneur and all the rest of it, not the best CEO in my opinion. I've made videos about it. But the fact of the matter is, he's got a huge following, and the company is phenomenal at what it does, and it's crushing the competition. And it's very hard for a car company ever to make profit. So when they start and the competition is Tesla, they've got no chance to compete. Lucid can't compete. They'll go private. And Mullen's a different story. It's into the commercial vehicles at the moment. That's mainly its thing. But Tesla can do very, very well. It went up and it sold off because we all overpaid for it. It's only worth $60. And people will go, oh, $60 a share, you're an idiot. It's worth 2,000, and they'll make up a silly number. I mean, based upon nothing. Well, I'm basing it at $60. We're just looking at the balance sheet, looking at the numbers, the maths. It makes sense to be $60. $60 is what it's worth. That's it. Does it trade at $60? No, because people are very passionate and they buy and hold it. So it's a very different thing. Anyway, I don't know your position. I can't comment on your position. If you become a member of our channel, I will gladly review in more detail your position. You can share it on Discord. We can look at your we can look at your portfolio. There's an invitation to join. If you want to access Discord and talk to us all, you can. Let me give you the Discord link. There you go. And we can do a lot more for you, but I'd need to know much more information to make a comment. All right, let's carry on looking through our portfolio. Let's go over now to our main account here. So we're up today, nearly all-time highs with plenty of cash on hand, earning 4.65%. Roth IRA has just fallen below that 14,000. 14,000 was our all-time high. We're just going to go back up there again in a minute. And 54.4 is our all-time high. Today we broke it with 54.529. Very nice indeed. And we've got plenty of money on hand as well, which is good. Right? Lucid, Apple, Amazon, very, very strong now. Up 9.73. VU, I'm up $860 now. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. Google just falling off. Google, Microsoft, Walmart. It's too expensive. Tesco, Next Year Energy. Very nice. Good dividends. Enphase. Yes, down 1% from 8% this morning down to 1% down. Much, much stronger. My brokerage position still down 29%. Oops. Sorry, guys. I'm on the wrong screen. I apologize for that. Bitcoin today up. Tilray Brands up 4%. I'm up 10.7% now on my brokerage account, working right now, but we'll check it out later. Okay, Cherry, where are you from? What part of the world are you from? Please let's welcome Cherry in. It's got a new guest here. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every single trading day. And I'm actually the world piano man as well. This is my music channel. I've got videos here with me with Sir Elton John's jacket on when I won the World Piano Man, doing Lion King, Jesus Christ Superstar, Phantom of the Opera. These are all my big videos. This video here did 1/3 views. Has anyone ever checked this one out? 347,000 views, that video there. That's my Elton John song as when I was wearing the World Piano Man jacket. My Vegas showgirls when I did One Night in Vegas. Our Rocket Man song there. These are all my big videos. And there you go. Go and check out my music channel. Okay, I'll give you the link to that if you want to. We did the Coronation concert as well. I did Lionel Richie All Night Long, Andre Bocelli. I did, and You Never Walk Alone. They're all on there. Past, what you do is you go to the main music channel and look for past live streams, and you'll see a Coronation concert. We had 6,500 views in 2 days. Very nice indeed. There's my 12-hour Coronation concert, if you want to go and check that out. All right. Okay. The S&P, Virgin Galactic, 418. Tesla. I'm very surprised that we've only got 5 votes to our poll. Very surprised indeed. I thought you'd all have interest in that. Here is the link to the poll. Are we in a bear market rally or a bull market? There is the link. I'll post it 3 times. This is the post. I'm surprised that we haven't got more votes on this. There you go. 5 votes. 80% bear market rally. Well, it's a bear market rally for 5 months now. Can we look at gold? We certainly can. Should I buy some gold today? Let's open up a duplicate screen. GLD. I've started to buy gold for the SPDR Gold Trust. Let's have a look on it. I'm buying it in my Roth position. I'm up 2.58. I've only got a very small amount of gold. I'm up 2.57 now. I like to add gold when it goes down. I get days when it goes down. Long term, we know it's always going to go up. Investing in Rivian long term can be down by buying Amazon. Here is my. Let me just answer that question. Amazon's doing very, very well. Rivian, I took profits from Rivian last night. I have my long-term position, but I have my short-term position as well. My long-term position, I'm holding it, but last night I sold my Rivian to take a profit. They're still not making any money, so it's still an opportunity. But Amazon are doing very, very nicely now. Very nicely indeed. Back to gold for Sensei, one of our sponsors. Sensei, would you like to call into the show? Sensei, let me open up the broadcast lounge. We'd like to talk about Gallardo Steve. Is there an earnings concert? Gallardo Steve, I cannot believe it that you missed the concert. Yes, let me give it to you now. Here is the concert. Let me just give this link to Gallardo Steve, bearing in mind. I can't believe he missed it. This is Discord, where you can come into the show live. So let me reply to Gallardo Steve. Reply, yes, there was. Did you miss it? We made money trading. Daisy. Trading as I was singing. This is for Gallardo Steve. There you go. I'll give you the link. There you go. Giving it to you there now. The broadcast lounge is open. Ali's not in the feed right now. Come back to here. General chit chat. Did the stream end or just me? You're talking about last night. Look at this a minute. I've got some fun things to share with you right now. Gold is the best buy at the moment, better than SPY. Can we look at gold? My gold is going down a little today. What a great recovery from space. Yes, I traded it 3 times. 3 times now. I bought here and sold here. And last night, I bought here and sold here. Did it, twice, not 3 times, I beg your pardon. And yeah, we did it twice. If you missed that trade, here it was. We did it live in our music concert last night. We did an after-hours concert. As I was singing, I was trading. It was quite a feat of skill, I tell you. Anyway, so I've got my long-term position, and it's oversold, overreaction, as the markets always do, from people who don't understand what they bought. I don't know why, but I do know why, because we talk about it all the time. It's human sentiment. Let me share with you some wonderful images this morning in the breakfast bar. If you're a member of our channel, here is our Discord. Let me give you the Discord. You want to talk to our members every day, see what we're trading, talk to our investors, be part of the family. There's our Discord. And every morning they send in pictures like this. It's great. Here is Eric B. Eric B is watching the chart. There he is, and he's got his Martyn Lucas crystal ball mug. Look at that, look, having breakfast. Lovely. What else have we got here? We've also got Day Trader, the anniversary mug. Very rare collector's piece now, and there we are on the show. This is from Mike, and Mike has also got, oh, look at that lovely butter melting into the toast. I love it. Brilliant. Some great images there. Thank you guys for that. Okay, let's go back to gold in a minute and see if we can pick up some gold today. I'm up 2.54. I'd like to get it a bit lower. Please, if I may. I'm just giving you guys a thank you for your comments over there in the breakfast bar. The YouTube premieres come out. That's good. We're watching gold to see if we can pick up a discount today. Always add a little bit of gold along the journey. I've got a video coming out about gold soon that you might find interesting. I've got some comments from Sensei, I think. Okay, let me know when you... okay, that's a comment from Sensei. And... okay, thank you very much, Ed Nevius, as well. Brilliant. I'm just reading some of your comments that you're sending in. Okay. Welcome all. Okay, brilliant. Gold. Like to buy some more when it goes a little bit lower. Okay. The S&P. Gold down today. Let's have a little look over the week. Just trimming off. We want to buy it, if we can, 184. If we can buy it around there. It doesn't really matter, because long term, your gold's doing well, right? Here we go. Gold is selling off right now. If we can get a 2% discount, I don't know if we will, but if we can, I'll buy a bit more. Keep an eye on it. I'll come back to that in a minute. We'll add a bit more gold. Okay. All this is well and good until we land on Mars and discover billions and billions of tons of gold. And then gold goes to zero. Just bear that in mind. That's not as funny as it sounds. We go to Mars, we find infinite amount of gold. Gold goes to zero. Just saying. Just saying, everybody, right? Just bear that in mind, you know. You might not care about it, thinking, well, it's not going to happen in my lifetime. Well, fair enough. But anyway, just making the point. When we go to Mars and we discover gold, gold goes to zero. That's all I'm saying. Or we'll land on the moon. Maybe there's gold on the moon. I don't know. Rivian. Okay, we took profits. We're waiting to buy it back again cheaper. Tesla. Here comes the little sell-off. Lucid, waste of time. I can't touch Lucid at the moment. Amazon. Did we get our likes up? We got 36 watching and we got 25 likes on YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube right now, please help us out. All you've got to do is smash the like button. It really, really helps. By tapping that like button, what it does, we go live up to 10 hours a day. I'm here in the studio trying to grow the most honest, real channels in the world, this one and the music channel. And when you smash the like button, tap it, it shares it to more people. That's what actually happens. Anyway, really helps. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. J&J is also a buy for me. I'm holding now 1,116 in cash in my Roth. That's where I can buy more. Google, Microsoft, Tesco's, Next Tier Energy, Enphase. I was down 8% this morning on this. I'm down 1.24 now. Brilliant. Bitcoin, 174. Tilray. Robinhood. Ah, ha, ha. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Expectations with Robinhood is way down. I want to buy Robinhood. I don't want to go all in yet because we are reporting Robinhood earnings, and I think Robinhood earnings is going to do all right. I want to pick up some more Robinhood. I've got a good position. It's 7% of my Roth. It's a good position. I'm down 4%. It's a good discount. Will it go down lower tonight in the earnings? I think the earnings is going to do okay. I really do. 924. This is an opportunity right now. 924. It's got resistance support here. 860. Around about here, 830, resistance support at 770. I think it's, should I keep NEO stocks? I wouldn't touch NEO. I don't like Chinese stocks. It's not really for me. I think Tesla is way better. Anyway, that's just for me. Jump Alpina, keep NEO. Jump Alpina likes it. Right, okay. Jumper, remember, I just want to verify, because we're the most honest channel on YouTube. We're not here to promote anything, sell anything, other than if you want to buy one of my mugs, you can buy one of them. We're not selling training courses. In fact, we're giving away free money. On Friday, we're giving $125 away for free, and we're giving away 15 hours of training for free. We give stuff away. I just want to say, people that comment in the chat who aren't members aren't verified. Some people could be scammers. Some people could be bots. Just saying, if they're not a moderator or a member, it's just worth knowing. And I'm just here to protect everybody. You don't know who you're speaking to. And people come on and promote and pump stocks. So I'm telling you what I am really doing with my real money. And I wouldn't buy NEO. That's just me. But that's my real money and my real research and my real evidence and so on. If someone comes in and says, I would buy this, it's great. They're not a member. Oh, that's nice, says Jumper. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm just protecting the members. And I know, Jumper, you'll appreciate that. I'm just letting people know that people do come in and they do say things that are untrue, or they are self-interest or whatever. Jumper is a regular viewer to our channel. He's not a member, I know, but he comes regularly. Why he's not a member, I don't know. But he comes regularly, and I'm just, giving everybody the warning. Anyway, can be done. What is can be? What does that mean? So we've got the earnings tonight for Robinhood, and it's a big night tonight for Robinhood. I've got to get off. And make some videos. There is the earnings tonight for Robinhood. It's going to be a big one. You can be the first person to comment there if you like. Gold, opportunity, still too expensive. What was I just looking at a few moments ago? What was it? Oh, yeah, Hood. Here we go. I say keep it if you are in the red. Well, sometimes it's good to sell for a loss because you can get a taxed harvest. There are benefits to selling for losses. If you know it's going lower, you can mitigate. If you buy here and it goes to here and you sell and you've lost money, but you know it's going to here and you buy back, you have saved all of this distance here. Sometimes it's worth selling for a loss. You accept it, you move on, and every trade is a brand new trade. It's very, very important to remember you can make money losing money as well. It's very, very important to do that. I've done it before to protect my money. Okay, I like Robinhood going down. The S&P, gold, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is weak. It could easily sell back off again. Tesla. Sorry, Rivian. Want to buy Rivian again. That's going back down. Like Orb. Yes, exactly. Like Orb. We got out of that. We got back in again. And then, unfortunately for me, I didn't sell when it went up $1,000. I lost $1,000. Big mistake. Should have taken the profit, but there you go. It's very different not selling Amazon, which makes money and holding for a lifetime, as Virgin Orbit, who doesn't make any money and loses money. I had $1,000 I didn't cash out on. It was a big mistake, but there you go. These things happen. Google. I'm looking for an opportunity today for something I can make money on quickly. And Robinhood is the earnings tonight. This is the one. 3 months ago, February the 13th, March, April. That's 3 months ago. February the 13th. Let's go back to February the 13th. So there it is. It dropped just before the earnings. And then it popped up and then sold off. But that's what we'd expect at the moment. So we're doing it again. So I'm looking at this now. What did it go down by? February the 10th, we were here at plus 358. And it went down 1%, 4.623, went down 1% over the day before, went down 4% over the couple of days before the earnings, and then popped up from 3% to 10. It made 7% after the earnings within the next couple of days, and that's how I see this going. So that being said, we are down now 3%. We're not at a low. It could go a bit lower. I don't think it's going to go much lower, if I'm honest. So it's had a good sell-off. I think what I'm inclined to do and what I'm going to do what I'm going to do is buy some Robinhood. I'm down 4.5%. I see it as an opportunity. I don't think it's going to go much lower. It might go a bit. I don't really care. So let me go over to my Roth IRA. Let me go to Robinhood. And we don't want to go all in. I've got $1,000. So we're going to, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to buy some Robinhood, right? Here we go. I've got 105 shares. Okay, Robinhood, trade, buy, limit order, 882, continue, today, $100. By 100. Let me think about that. I do want to have. I'm gonna buy 80. I'm going to buy 80. Review. Okay, you're watching it. This is another stock which gets oversold. 880. I bought at 881, 80 shares. Another stock that gets misunderstood and oversold. There you go. You can see my position now has changed. I was down. Was it like 6%? Was it 5%? What was I down? I was down. I can look on YouTube and just remind myself. Where was I? If I scroll back 30 seconds, I can see. Oh, damn it, I can't see. What was I down about 5.5%? When I? Anyway. I can't see. I was just scrolling back on YouTube to see what I was down. But anyway, I've just bought some more. So there you go. Okay, we're going to wrap up the show then. Let's put the timer in and make a video on this. 2:22. What do you mean misunderstood? What I mean by that is this is one of those stocks, Ali, that has a lot of negative publicity around it. Like GameStop and that GameStop situation. Remember, millions of very young, impressionable keyboard warriors use Robinhood. And they all diss it. They say bad stuff about it. They create Reddit accounts, armies to dump the stock, and all of this kind of stuff. It's the same sort of people that buy Virgin Galactic. They don't really know what they're investing in. I know that this is a great stock for the future. Not now, but when the bull market begins, this is going to explode because everyone's going to think they can make free money again. And the technology and the way it works, I love it when it comes to the UK. It's going to be phenomenal. I can't wait for that. So I think when I say misunderstood, I mean the very young, very impressionable people that want to get rich quick, don't really understand long-term investing. Look at Robinhood as some kind of get-rich-quick scheme, whatever. A bit like meme coins and stuff like that. They don't really grasp what, in my opinion, what Robinhood can do and what it does for me. It works for me. I like it. I don't see anything negative about it. I think it's a great platform. So, and I think I think the way it's structured as well can make good money too for a shareholder. I think buybacks will come Buybacks will come later this year. When the buybacks come, that will drive the price up. They've said that's going to happen, just not yet. When that does, the price is $10 straight away. I'm happy to buy it, and I've kept a bit more money. I've still got $411. It's not like I've gone all in or anything. But anyway, that's for me. So let me go over to our poll right now, and in fact, let's do that right now. We've got six votes on that. I thought we'd get more than that. All right, let's do a poll. Here we go. This is HOOD. Don't you just hate when it does that? Auto-correct, when you think, I don't want it to correct. Let me just do that. Whoops. HOOD. Hood. Robinhood. Okay. Okay. Let me just do this on my poll. I will buy at $4. Oh, I hope it goes there for you. I really do. If it goes to $4, I've got no problem with that. I would just double that position. If it goes to $4, I'll double my position. Can't see it happening, but it could. I meant investing in Rivian long term can be done by buying Amazon, not can be done. Oh, I see. Buying Amazon is investing in Rivian. Yes, correct. Well, buying the S&P is buying Amazon, which is buying Rivian. Absolutely right. I've just doubled thereabouts. Not quite, was it? It was net thereabouts. I've just doubled my position. Position on Robinhood. Whoops-a-daisy, I can't spell Robinhood. Robinhood. I've just doubled my position on Robinhood. Are you ready for the earnings? We are covering it live. Whoops. Link here. I'll give you the link to Robinhood earnings. There it is. Okay. Are you in with Robinhood? Are you investing with Robinhood. Okay. Excellent stuff. Let me just do that poll. I'd like to know how many of my viewers are actually in Robinhood. Be interesting to know. Let me add that. Add that as well. Are you in Robinhood? I'm going to make this a poll. Make it a poll, and I'm in Hood. Whoops. I'm in Hood. No, I'm out. Out of Hood. There you go. Let's make sure I do the apostrophe right. Okay. I'm in Hood. No, I'm out. There we go. There you go. Okay. I'd like your thoughts on that. Let's see how many of you are actually investing in Robinhood. See if you like it or not. Send now. Okay, let's see. Let me give you the link to the poll if you want to take part. Are you in Robinhood? Do you see it as a good investment? Would you touch it? There it is. I'm in it. I think it's a great investment, and it's making me money already. It's making me money already. It's going up. I think it's hit the bottom for the day. Possibly. That's why I've left some extra money to buy some more. I'll leave that there and let's see if you comment on that. Here is the earnings tonight. We're gonna get off now. I've got to make some videos to promote Robinhood tonight. There is the Robinhood link. If you want to be the first person to comment and leave a comment there. Okay, there we go. We're going up now. The overall account is broken new records today. The S&P is coming up. Gold, I've still got some money left to buy some gold today. Yeah. Let's check Hood since I bought it. There we go. I bought it. I doubled my position here. Okay. So I can now do this now to end the video. Right at the last second, we're going to wrap up. We're going to do day trade of the day. See who made or lost the most money today. Here we go. Let's turn the lights green. Whoa! Oh, not that one. Bloody hell! It's Incredible Hulk. It's the Incredible Hulk. Right, okay, we're making money on it now. We're just down 2%. We was down 5, or was it 5 or 6? So we've improved our position there. Right. Let's do it. Production screen. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We've turned the studio green because we're making money and we're getting ready for Robinhood. I've just doubled my position on Robinhood, just like Virgin Galactic. It's misunderstood. It's a lot of young investors that don't understand what they're buying, looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, which it's not. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you do get rich quick, it's because you got lucky. That isn't investing. That's gambling. I just doubled my position, and we've turned the studio green, ready for Robinhood tonight. I've doubled my position. Let me share with you exactly what I'm doing. Here we go. It's in my Roth IRA, where I can trade this tax-free. That's what I love about Robinhood. I can buy on a Roth IRA, trade it as many times as I want for free, and pay no tax on capital gains as well. Now, if I scroll down, I was actually down 5% on my Robinhood earlier. I'm now just down 2.1%. Much better, and I doubled my position thereabouts. It was like 10 shares away from a double, but nearly a double. So I've got a good position. It's 12% of my Roth IRA, so I'm very bullish on Robinhood long term, particularly at these prices. Now then, we are running a poll. If you want to join me tonight for the earnings, if you click up here, that'll take take you to the Robinhood earnings tonight. We are going to be there. This is what it looks like on my channel. This is the Robinhood earnings. You can go there now and leave a comment and be the first person to be there. But over on my Twitter account, which is where throughout the earnings, we have a conversation and we talk about what the CEO, Vlad Tenev, is saying and all the other members of the board are saying, CFO and so on. Over here on Twitter, I'm running a poll. I've just doubled my position, thereabouts. It's like 10 short. Are you ready for the earnings? We are covering it live. There's the link. Are you in with Robinhood? We've got one vote so far, 100%. So let's see how many votes we get there throughout the day. If you want to vote on that, click up here and that will take you to the poll. Or if you look below my video, you'll see all the links from my Twitter and so on and so forth. It's coming up now. Now, if it does go up, 5-6% now, and it could, I will trim half of what I've just bought and then allow myself the money for when it goes down again tonight, which it could do so. I think it's dropped, looking at its history, it's dropped what it does before the earnings already. It's given me that gift already. So I've doubled up my position, thereabouts, via bar 10 shares. I've doubled up, I've got my position, I'm probably now getting close to making money for the first time on Robinhood. Let's have a quick look at my position. Here we go. Yeah, just down 1.75. Look, there it is, 1.75. It's 12% of my portfolio on my Roth, so I'm very bullish on it. We're nearly making money now on Robinhood, and I can trim off the top because it's overweighted. 12% on my Roth. It is a bit heavy, let's be honest. It needs to be about 6% at most, really, if I'm honest. So we've turned the studio green. We're all ready for Robinhood. What do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. As always, smash the like as it shares the video out to more people. Join us live for the earnings. Go and vote on the poll and let me know, are you in? 100% now. 3 out of 3 are buying Hood. They are following me doing it. Now remember, you've already made your decision. You know what Robinhood is. You're not an impressionable young investor, and I don't mean nothing against with young people, of course, but people when they're young tend to be more temperamental, tend to be a bit more gun-ho, tend to be a bit more excitable, like a puppy running around, getting all excited, thinking, I can get rich in 5 minutes. That was what Robinhood made you feel like. It wasn't Robinhood's fault. It was just the way you feel as a young investor. We've all been there. I get excited and I'm 54 years of age. I'm still making mistakes, buying stocks I shouldn't have done. But Robinhood, for me, is a long-term investment. However, on my Roth IRA, I can scalp it in a few moments and sell a little bit along the journey and take some profits from it. And that way, give myself some free money to buy some free shares. And no matter what happens then, if you like to use the term, I'm playing with the house's money. Now then, Robinhood is looking very good to me right now, but I just want to give you one final bit of information. What I absolutely love about Robinhood right now is I always have money on hand to buy the dips for these moments, right? You always want to hold money on hand for the earnings, always. As you can see in my main account, I've got $2,763 in my main account, earning 4.65, the highest APY you're going to get from anywhere in the world. I mean, unless you're a gazillionaire and you've got $1 million in the bank, you're not going to get a figure anywhere close to that. So I'm earning, as you can see, I've earned $3 on $2,700 since the beginning of May in just 10 days. $3 for doing absolutely nothing. No risk, no stress, and it's backed by FDIC insurance up to $1.5 million. In June, it's going up to $2 million. So you've got $2 million worth of insurance. So it's safer than a bank. Most banks are $1.5 million. They're putting it up to $2 million. So it's a phenomenal deal, just holding your cash without any stress or drama. Shall we go back over to Robinhood in the dying moments of this video? There you go. As you can see, it's now up. I bought the bottom this morning. Perfect. And we're now just down. We were down over 5.5%, down just 1.42. That, to me, is a perfect trade, half at least. The idea now is to take profits from it. If we can get this up another 1.5%, 2.5%, which you could do easily, I will sell half of what I just bought. So in other words, a quarter of my shares. I will sell about 50 shares if we get around to the wash point. That way I've made money from it. I've taken a profit. I've reduced my portfolio diversity of Robinhood. And by the time it gets to the wash price for the day, it'll be up 14% of my portfolio. I will take 50 shares off it. It'll bring it back down to about 12%, maybe 10% if I sell a little bit more, and that'll be right. And then tonight I can buy some more if it does it again. If it continues rising, then I'm already in, okay? That's my strategy for that. Now then, if you like free money and you want to win some free money, why wouldn't you? Do you want to win some free money? Of course you would. Click above my head. We've got our very best ever giveaway. We're giving away $125 in cash. Here is our competition page, martynlucas.com/giveaway. We're giving away $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training, learning how to use charts, learning how to read candles and all the good stuff. There we go. So we're having fun. We're building a family. We're making money. We're giving you free money. We're giving you free training. We don't charge for training. We give it you for free. We want to be the most honest and real and best YouTube channel in the world. That's what we aim to be, and that's what I work 10 hours a day to try and strive to do. That's it from me. See you back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there you go. There is that video. How many people are still with me? 30 people. Flipping heck, everyone's still here. I meant investing in Rivian long term. Yes, I got that. Thank you, Lou Drek. Loud work. Like the thumbnail, by the way. Like the little thumbnail, the emoji. Very, very cool. If you are a YouTuber, which looks like you are because you've gone to the trouble of doing a nice emoji there, icon, if you become a member of our channel and you become a silver member, I put you on the home page of my YouTube channel. I get everyone to subscribe to you. I tag you in my viral posts and I help you in 1,000 ways. In fact, our members say they get 20 times back what they put in. There's an invitation to join. And if you want invitation to our Discord channel as well, here it is. Okay. There it is. I give everybody the giveaway. I think we're good. Let me check the giveaway. Has it gone up any more today? 2,488. 2,000. Yeah, no, not today. Hasn't gone up any more. Okay, fair enough. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio and let's see who's up. How many people have we got on Discord right now? Hood is still falling. Don't buy yet, says Eric B. That was a while ago. Well, we did buy it and it's going up now. Anyway, welcome to all of you on Discord, on Rumble. If you've not yet followed me on Rumble, here's my live Rumble right now. There you go. If you want to join me on Rumble, this is what it looks like on Rumble right now. There you go. Looking good. We're trying to get to 100 followers within 2 weeks. Help me get there if you'd like to. Let's see how many people are in the poll, have voted now. 3 votes on the poll. 3 votes. Let's have a look. Let me refresh it. Make sure it's up to date. Yeah, just 3 votes. 100% though are in on Robinhood. Excellent. Right, let's do day trader of the day. I'm up 0.71. Consistent profits every day, up 0.71%. Okay, once the first person posts, I will give you a minute on the clock. Robinhood is still rising. Still got plenty of money in cash. 54. We're $100 off the all-time high. But that's coming straight back now. Up 0.71. Once we get our first on the clock, we'll bring in the timer. Okay. Discord, any information? Let me close the broadcast lounge down. If you want to call in, you can. Broadcast lounge on Discord is now closed. And that's cool. Let me, before I post, let me check live on screen. This is what I do every day. Let me go here and I show you how I do this. I never show you this, but I'm going to show you now. This is Discord. Go into Discord. Look for members. Let's search for Lucas. And there's our first scammer of the day. You see, I can always tell which is me. I'm gold. I have owner. And you can see. You know that's me. Obviously, right? This idiot here, yes, and I use the word idiot, thought they could scam my channel, thought they could come on and tell everybody, I'm going to sell you Bitcoin and I'm going to do stuff. Ban, you are banned from our channel and see you later. You're not going to spam any of my members. All right. And they try to hide themselves and all sorts of stuff, but they get absolutely nowhere. So if you are thinking of coming into my account and you think you want to scam it, waste your time, because every day I ban you. And I not only ban you, I report you, so your account is dead and you'll never be able to be on Discord again. All right, so my word of advice is don't bother. You're wasting your time. I enjoy it. For me, it's like Space Invaders. Every day, boop, got another idiot. Yep, you're an idiot. You try to come on here and message my members. If anyone messages you on Discord, if anyone messages you on TikTok, it's not me. I don't message anyone. And I only ever reply to messages. And I certainly don't try and sell you something other than one of my mugs from my shop. Don't sell you anything, all right? I don't sell you training programs. All I do is give away free money. All right, 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. I am down 0.71. Eric B is down 1.45. Ian Jackson goes into the lead, up 1.45. Oh, yeah, sorry, I'm up 0.71. What am I on about? Up 0.71. Ian Jackson is up 2.41. Any more scores, please? Let's go back to the Roth IRA. It's going up. Robinhood just topping off a little bit. Few seconds to go. Is that it? Time's up. The winner is Ian Jackson today. Ian Jackson is our winner. Congratulations to you. Thanks for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up, and there we go. Awesome stuff. Thank you, Ian Jackson. You are the winner today. Let's get out of here. I'm going to roll the credits because we had lots of new members today. So let's bring in the credits today. And we're out of here. We've still got 27 of you watching on YouTube, which is great, with 7,514 subscribers. Still being watched is the Virgin Galactic. Wow, 801 is the Virgin Galactic after party. Blimmin' hell, that's a record. Down 0.55 says Crag. 188 through the stream. Very nice indeed. Not quite a record, really. 6 watching. Midnight Oil. Tesla gave back all its gains. Tesla, have a quick look. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. But my portfolio is still up today, so I'm very, very happy. Very, very happy indeed. I didn't sell it. I held my position. I am good. I am good. Right. I only have 10 shares of Hood. That's all right. No worries at all. Doesn't matter how many you have. You turn 10 into 12, turn 12 into 20, and so it goes on. I started with $5,000 a year and a half ago, and we're at 54. So we all start at the beginning. Right, let's go. Let's roll the credits. Let's see if we got any credits today, and I'm getting out of here. Stars of the show today. Followers, Heartbreak, PLVY, new subscribers, Dave Life TV, Jordan Lockwood, Ivan Schligen. Thank you ever so much indeed for all of you joining me. I hope you enjoyed the show. A lot of fun. We've made some more friends. We've made more members. We didn't get any super chats today, but we're all making money. Everybody's happy. Everyone's doing well. And that is what it's all about. I will see you back for the closing bell. Look out for the videos later on today. I can hardly hear this music. That's better. I turned it down a bit. I don't know why I turned it down. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll see you back in a bit. We've got the earnings coming up after hours. As always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Have a wonderful day. See you back for the closing bell and then the Hood earnings. Bye.